Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of Careerkunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, TCS NQT result is getting delayed and we are trying to figure out why it is getting delayed. So I am sharing you all the updates that I am getting from different sources so that you can get an idea why it is delaying. Exactly when it come, it is not sure, but I came to know that some students were not able to give their written exam because of certain reasons by TCS, right? So their written exam is planned tomorrow. So basically, TCS could not take some written exam because of some reasons, some internal reasons, and their written round is scheduled, tomorrow. So that means I have told you in my last videos that interview results will only come out when all the interviews are done. So basically, for the drive, if some candidates are left to give the written round, so they will give the written round first, and then they will interview, and then their result, the complete drive will be closed and result will come. So basically, that can be one of the reason. Guys, we are trying to give you all the information that we are getting from different sources. Don't take it like that, we are making false commitment. No, please, we are sharing all the information so that what we are hearing we can also share with you and you also remain updated. And then I came to know this from a very credible source in TCS. I cannot name that, but yeah, that is what I have been told. So now the TCS has the choice whether they will take their return round and take their interview and then close it for all, or they might just go with the return round or declare the result for the other students whose interview has been done. Because what is happening is that as a student, we think that my interview has happened 2 months back. So TCS should declare my result. But that doesn't happen like that. For TCS, it is like a complete drive. And that is why, for them, when the drive will be closed, then the result will be announced. So they take it like that. You can be like, my interview happened 1 month, 2 months back, and there is no update. So, for you, it is just you. For them, it is it is about the complete drive. The same pattern we observed in the last month when the TCS MBA hiring results were declared. So TCS MBA hiring, same thing happened. Interviews happened, and then there was a delay. But we were checking that students were having the interview, the before the same week in the results announced. So it is the same pattern that we are observing. So what I believe understand is that the result were announced around 20th June for 20th May for MBA hiring. And then before that, it was, before 20th June, also some days before, interviews were happening for some people. So that clearly shows that TCS wait for all the interviews to be done. And then they do the mapping of how many requirement versus how many candidates who are recommended by the panels. And then what was the quota for the prime, what were the numbers for digital, what were the numbers for Ninja. And accordingly, the results are out. So that is something to be understood to understand why there is a delay. Okay, so I hope you got this clarity, and as and when we get more information, we will share with you, as like this only. Exact date absolutely nobody knows, but yeah, we are at least trying to keep you updated with whatever we are hearing so that you get some idea about what is happening in the background. Now what you should do, basically, it will, your result is already taking time and your joining will take further time. So it is not going to be like offer letter is enough. Many students whose interview have went good, definitely they will get the offer. But after offer, there is also a long way to get your joining, and then after joining TCS, you have to, it will take some time for you to get the project as well. So in the meantime, you should be doing some courses that will help you to build a good career in the IT. Because in IT, it is very important that you choose the right skill set which is high paying in the market. IT is the one of the most high paying industry in this world, and then there are some skills at a particular time which are in demand, and if you are good at those skills, you get very well paid later in the market. So you should be doing courses at this point of time to utilize your time, to increase your chances of getting highly paid in some skills which you can learn now. And those are skills like Gen AI, machine learning, which are trending as of now. They, you can find this list on Google as well. There are some skill set with some, I can tell you, when I was a recruiter in TCS, we used to see that we don't get the candidate for those skills, like Salesforce is the one, and then Ruby on Rails. AEM, and then there are so many SAP modules as well for which it is difficult to find candidate, and then they are heavily paid by any company. So as of now you should focus on doing these courses so that you can build a profile for longer term. Simply waiting for the result will make you anxious only. And yes, there are some very good platforms for from where you can do these courses for free, like Coursera, edX. Infosys Springboard is another platform which many students are not aware. Infosys Springboard is a platform by CSR initiative of Infosys, in which they are offering all the courses that you can access for free. Some courses that are paid for edX and Coursera are also free, for on Infosys Springboard. So do explore Infosys Springboard and try to also, make boost your profile, make your profile like that it becomes, very attractive, and some niche technologies, so that you can get a good project in TCS. At the same time, your market value also increases after sometime after you, when you think about changing the company. Okay, so that is something one I want to share with all of you. Also, at the same time, you should be active on LinkedIn. These days all the jobs are being posted on LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is the most used platform by the recruiters. So just depending on TCS offer, apart from that, you can apply for various vacancies which are available on LinkedIn, right? So you should know, you should use LinkedIn, and you should know how to search for different jobs, so that you never know that while waiting for TCS you can get some other opportunity, because many recruiters, many companies are posting the requirement on LinkedIn, right? So be active on LinkedIn. And if you don't know how to search jobs on LinkedIn, then we are organizing a free LinkedIn mastery class, free mastery workshop, starting from tonight 8 p.m. to 9:30. It will be for 3 days, today, tomorrow, and day after, wherein I will guide you how to use LinkedIn to search for jobs, and how to make your profile so that it becomes very attractive to recruiters. This again will help you to get a good job, beyond TCS as well. So if you are interested, then you can definitely take advantage of it. It is absolutely free of cost. All right. So I think I gave you the clarity, and regarding TCS results, as and when we get updates, we will update you, and will keep you posted. You can follow our channel. Thank you so much.